You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Here is a complete video of a maker set from start to finish. If you want to skip ahead to specific points in the video, then check the description below for skip times. Enjoy! Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop and...
Clifford!
No, you're supposed to say and Butch.
Try it again.
All right. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop and...
Butch!
There you go.
And Clifford.
We're back to the Clifford the Big Red Dog Food Science Kit. Now, we've got a video in this one already. And Butch and I, we did, let me see.
Boy, that was fun.
What was the first one we did? Marshmallows.
Oh, the marshmallows. Exploding marshmallows.
Yeah, that was cool.
And we amped it up a little bit, didn't we?
Yeah, we had a little food coloring. That was neat.
Oh,
and then
carnage.
we also did the exploding bag. Remember that?
Oh! That was my reaction. That one got me.
Yeah, that was cool. And I can't remember the last one. Dancing
spaghetti.
Dancing spaghetti. So now, due to all the requests in the comments, a lot of people wanted to see chocolate slime.
I tell you, LPS-Dave, I keep walking by this in the shop, this Clifford Science, Food Science. I couldn't wait to get back at it.
Really?
Chocolate slime.
Yeah. So this one here is non-edible. Okay, so don't think you're going to eat this.
What?
It's cornstarch, the lab tray, water, measuring cup, and chocolate syrup. Yes.
Oh.
Now, there's no real, bonus warnings here or read. Remember the last video? You were like, oh, that's very important.
Always read where it says, warning.
Yes. This says explanation. The slime mixture that was created is a special mixture because it has millions of tiny solid particles of the cornstarch suspended in the water. And therefore, it behaves both like a solid and a liquid.
Millions.
Yes.
That's a lot.
All right. Well, you read a little bit there. I got to open this box. Anything else you pick out of there that you can read?
Well, it says chocolate is not a good thing for dogs to eat.
It does? Oh.
Now, as I've explained in the past, I am not a normal dog. No comment, LPS-Dave.
None whatsoever.
My stomach is still being studied by scientists around the world to try to figure out how I can do what I do.
I can't believe that. That's
around the world, LPS-Dave.
That's really nuts.
So, kids, don't worry about me. I can eat chocolate.
All right, enough of that. The box is ready. I don't know where you're going with that. You seem to go off on these little tangents.
Well, people worry about me. So.
I understand. So 4 measuring cups. Look, it's all over my fingers. I guess that's part of experimenting, huh? You get dirty.
That's always fun. I don't know anything about that, though, LPS-Dave, getting dirty in an experiment.
Yeah, I know. You're a very clean dog. Always licking everything. 1.
1.
Oh, yeah, you do the announcements here.
2. You'll like this one. 3. And big 4.
There you go.
That looks good.
Okay, now I'm supposed to use the cup for water, but, we were prepped. We got the water all set. It's 2 measurings of the water. So we already pre-measured that.
I took care of that.
Thanks, Butch. That was really nice of you.
No problem.
Let's see now. Add 2 measuring cups of water to the cornstarch and mix together with your hands. And look at that.
That sounds
with your
fun.
hands.
Boy, they make this fun.
Here we go. Do you want to mix it with your? Do you want to use your paws?
Maybe I'll watch. That's tough to get out of my fur sometimes.
Okay. Here we go. Let me zoom right in there. We're gonna lose you because the mixing part is important.
Dave's hands are about to get messy.
Oh yeah, they sure are. I feel it.
It's getting pasty.
It is. It's sludgy.
This isn't another one of those practical jokes with sludge, is it?
No. It says the mixture should feel solid when squeezed and become liquid when released.
Fascinating.
It's sticking to my fingers. Let's see if we did this right.
Just bring them over when you're done. I'll lick them clean, LPS-Dave.
No, I'm feeling it. I think it's mixed, but every time I squeeze, I get a lumpiness. If the mixture is too dry, add a little water. If the mixture is too wet, add more cornstarch. Wow, that's weird. It's weird on my fingers. I feel it on the bottom. Oh, it almost feels like it's not mixed. But it is. Every time I squeeze, I feel it in my fingers. It's really cool. I wish you could experience it.
So the mixture should feel solid when you squeeze it.
Yes.
And become liquid when it's released.
Let me let it sit. What do you think? Maybe add a little more. I feel it on the bottom more than on the top. Add a little water. Oh, maybe it's too wet. I'm going to add a little extra cornstarch in it. You wipe off my hand. But that's cool.
Boy, oh boy, LPS-Dave. It looks like a mad scientist lab already.
It does. Here we go. Yeah, it's neat.
Look at that.
See that? It's like lumpy. Ooh, that definitely helped. Okay, so after this, oh yeah, now check it out. That really helped. Cool.
Starting to look slimy,
Yeah,
LPS-Dave.
We're moving right along. Sorry about the crinkly plastic, everybody. That's just... Oh, yeah, see? Okay, perfect. Now it says, squirt chocolate syrup into your mixture and keep playing. Have fun. Ooh, we're right on now. Look at that. And then it returns to liquid.
We should have put this on a GAC video day.
Yeah, wouldn't that be cool? All right, so now I need to wipe my hand again. Now we're going to turn it into chocolate.
Now we're talking.
All right, here we go.
It
It doesn't say how much. It says squirt chocolate syrup into your mixture and keep playing. Have fun. You can store your slime in a Ziploc bag. Oh, look at that.
It's like a squirt gun of goodness.
Isn't that neat? Look at the colors.
Look at that, LPS-Dave. That looks like the most delicious ice cream I've ever seen.
It is.
That's not this experiment, though, is it?
No. I think I want to add a little bit more cornstarch back in now. Look at that. Let me do that. I think I can do it without having to wipe my hand.
So talented.
Thank you. That's the coolest part, I think, actually, when I add it. You see when I add it, how it just changes? Look at it. Now it got thicker. You hear it?
Whoa.
Look at that. That's nifty.
That is nifty.
Hey, I just used that word, nifty.
Boy, that's nifty.
Is that your word? Did I take your word?
You know what? We can share that word, LPS-Dave.
Look at that. Look.
Then it goes right back in and gets liquidy again.
Yeah, I think I have the perfect consistency now.
Yeah, bring a handful over here, will you?
Well, I don't want to drip it on my stuff, you know. Okay, let me turn this way. Take a look. Don't.
Oh, don't is such a harsh word, LPS-Dave.
That's cool.
That is
Fascinated by
slimy.
This. I think we have the perfect chocolate slime right now.
Let's see how high you can lift it.
I gotta adjust the camera for that.
Whoa!
See that?
How about
grab
that?
it again. I grabbed a whole bunch this time.
Whoa! You know, LPS-Dave, I want to say it looks really gross, but in a good way.
Yeah, now look. See, it doesn't look like liquid. Stop. Looks like liquid, huh? And then when you grab it... Let me do this. I'm going to clean up a few things. I want to get a close-up shot, top down on this stuff. All right, we are back. Everything is cleaned up. Now watch this, Butch. I was playing with it. Look.
It looks like...
Doesn't look liquidy.
I can't even explain what it looks like, LPS-Dave.
And you can pick it up, and it's slimy. And it just breaks down in your hand.
Wow.
Now it says right here, you can store your slime in a Ziploc plastic bag.
Pick it up later and play for hours.
So we could actually...
I have a feeling I'm going to lose you for the rest of the day, LPS-Dave.
Look, I can almost grab the whole thing and just take it right out. Look at that.
Wow.
I'm fascinated by it.
Mm-hmm.
But we got to get on to the next experiment. You want to do another one?
I'm hungry.
All right, let's clean this all up. We'll come back and we'll go to another experiment.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we are back. Our chocolate cornstarch slime is sitting in a bowl. We moved it to a bowl.
I got to tell you, LPS-Dave, that was... I could see the glee and the joy on your face.
It was exciting.
Mm-hmm.
It was neat.
The joy of discovery.
You know, next time I might just add more chocolate to it, make it darker and darker.
Now you're talking my language.
All right, so what we decided to do, Butch, is...
By the way, there's no chocolate left in that container.
Okay, no problem. We'll get more. Edible Volcano. The next experiment combines two of our favorite...
Wait, did you say edible volcano?
I didn't say. I said it, but I just read it off
Those
the
are
page.
two exciting words to me.
Edible and
volcano.
We first will make edible dough and shape it into a volcano, and then we get to make it explode.
I've experienced edible and I've experienced volcano, but never together.
Well, here's our chance.
I'm ready.
Explanation. Just like in the explosion in a bag experiment,
Oh!
we got a leaker.
Sorry, every time I think about it, yep.
When baking soda and vinegar are mixed, a reaction takes place and a gas, carbon dioxide, is formed.
Right.
The gas mixes with the liquid in the cup, and we see it come out as lava foam. But first, it says, add 4 measuring cups. Use the enclosed cup of flour into the bowl in your lab tray.
Flour, I think I'm going to be doing some serious counting on this one.
Then add 8 measuring cups of oats to the flour and 2 measuring cups of water. Check out number 3. Knead the mixture with your hands.
How about that?
This is
messy time.
Then make a hole in the top of the dough and place your measuring cup in the hole and shape the dough into a volcano. Once it is dry, you can explode it by filling up the cup in the volcano with 10 milliliters of vinegar, 2 drops of red food coloring, and 1 scoop of baking soda.
Count me in, LPS Dave.
This is going to be fun. So 4
where do we
scoops
start?
of flour. Oh, wait, I'm missing my spoon. I need my leveling spoon.
Oh, your spoon.
Yeah, well, you know where it is?
I'll be right back.
Okay. I need that spoon. I've been using the spoon.
Well, there you go, LPS Dave.
Where's the spoon part?
Oh, LPS Dave, I was trying to clean it and it broke.
I'm broke it?
Sorry.
Oh, well, you know, I feel your sincerity. I forgive you. I forgive you.
Thanks, LPS Dave.
It's okay. You know, a spoon's a spoon.
Thanks, LPS Dave. That makes me feel better.
A spoon is but a spoon.
You're a poet.
I just wanted it for this anyway, so I don't need the spoon part. I noticed on my cornstarch, I had a hard time because my spoon was missing to level it. Now I know.
Sometimes it's good just to come clean and be honest.
It is. There's 2.
2! I forgot to count.
Yeah, well, you're talking and, you know, we're entertaining, so here is 3.
Number 3.
Yeah, all right. This one's all yours. Your big lead in
and
here.
And finally, please welcome number 4. Woohoo! Very nice.
All right.
I heard everybody clapping along to that one.
Add 8 measuring cups of oats.
Boy, oh boy, I'm just wondering how the heck that's all going to fit in there.
Well, these are big oats.
I love oats, LPS Dave.
I'm going to have to just do this here because, here, well, I'll tell you what. I'll just take a big scoop. So you can see what they look like. There's my oats.
When you say that, you sound like you're on a farm.
Oats.
Oats.
Hope you're counting.
1.
I'm going to go fast.
2. You're not going to throw me off. 7. Just kidding. 4. 5.
Wow, look at that spill.
6.
What is that? I need a little bit of this.
Fun voices.
Okay, so we're on number 6.
This will be number 7. Fabulous number 7.
Oh, we got some serious
and
oats here.
Finally, number 8 joins the party.
That's a lot. And then 2 measuring cups of water.
I got those ready for you, LPS Dave.
I think we're going to need more water. I don't think they were expecting us to have these giant oats.
I think those oats are going to be thirsty.
I'm just pre-mixing it here. With any kind of experiment, you do have to adjust, like we did on the slime chocolate, you know? we go. I'll put a little bit in. Mix it up.
A little bit at a time.
Yeah. Sticky.
How's it feeling? Sticky.
It's sticky, yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Boy, I would jump in, LPS-Dave, but you know what happened the last time with my groomer.
Yes.
That was an expensive one for you.
Oh, it is working pretty good here. It's very sticky. I got to get 2 hands in here. Let me adjust my camera into this. There's just something about the smell of oats and flour. I'm not sure. I'm not finding it too appealing. It's like oatmeal. Do you like oatmeal?
I love oatmeal, LPS-Dave.
You do. I like it, but I also like it with brown sugar and...
Yeah, I normally don't put flour in my oatmeal.
I know. But it smells like that. It's starting to make a dough ball. Look at that.
A dough ball. Now you're making me want oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal cookies.
It's getting harder and harder to
It's like a workout for you.
Yeah, let me see if I can just lump it into my hands here and make a ball. Look at that. It's a dough ball.
Boy, we got to be messy when we're scientists, huh?
You know what? I think I'm going to get a little bit more water. Can you get that for me?
Be right back, LPS-Dave.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, Butch is getting the water. Thanks, Butch.
There you go, LPS-Dave.
I'm going to just do a little bit.
I got a lot. Just in case.
Yeah, but I think overall we're close here. This last little bit on the bottom just didn't get any water. Once I can make this into a nice ball, there we go. I think that did it. I like that. Now I can combine this to the giant ball we have off to the side, and now I have my giant ball of oats and flour. Well, it says you could eat it. Here, give it a little knob there. You like that?
It's refreshingly good.
Refreshingly good. Seriously?
Well, I'm hungry.
Oh. All right, so now I need to form this into a volcano.
I think it'll taste better once you get the food coloring in there. That's what.
But then I also have to have a hole in it, right, to put the cup. I think I left that in the oats. Let me get that out. Did I leave it in the oats? I left it in the oats.
You would have gotten a surprise next time you went to make oatmeal.
Yes, I think I'm just going to do it this way. Start with it in there like that, huh? And pack it around.
Smart idea.
Look at that.
Starting to take shape, LPS-Dave. Looking more volcano-ish every minute.
Look at that. There's my volcano. All right, let's stick it back in there. Now, I got to let that dry. So we're going to clean up a little bit, come back after it dries, and we're going to do our volcano. All right, we are back, Butch. Exciting, huh?
Really exciting.
Our volcano has been drying.
It's like watching a volcano dry. That's what they say.
And, again, don't worry about the spoon. We'll just get another one. So, let me turn this down a little bit so we can read this here. The last part, it says, once your volcano is dry, ours is pretty dry, you can explode it by filling up the cup in the volcano with 10 milliliters of vinegar. And it's kind of like the bottom line in there. 2 drops of red food coloring, which we have. Sometimes I go a little overboard with the food coloring.
You think?
I like to add a lot. And 1 scoop of baking soda, which we have here. And I brought in another scooper that we'll use. That's kind of the same size. So, you ready to go?
I'm ready, LPS-Dave.
Okay, let's move this all in here now. Let's, how's that?
Still wondering about the edible part.
Well, you could just eat that, I guess.
I'm in.
All right, so we took it out of the purple thing, by the way, the mixing bowl, to kind of give you a little bit more of the whole volcano. Isn't that neat? Here we go.
So excited, LPS-Dave. These experiments have been really fun.
Okay, to the line. And
Step 1.
2 drops.
2 drops. We'll see about that.
And is that a squirrel
1.
over there? Do you see that squirrel?
2.
Oh, there's 2.
3. Very good.
Okay, I just did 3.
Always going over the top, LPS-Dave.
I thought I saw a squirrel over there. And then the baking soda. So let's, we got to clear everything out of the way so we can kind of get an unobstructed view. I think I might just zoom right into the top. What do you
I'm going to
think?
stand back in case this thing blows.
Yeah, look at that.
You took me by surprise last time with that exploding bag.
I'm going to go right over the top.
Happen. You know what that looks like to me right now?
No.
A cherry-filled donut.
I guess it does look like a cherry-filled donut. Here we go. I might adjust after. And exploding volcano.
Whoa! Look at that go!
How pretty that looks.
Just oozing out like lava.
I don't know. Do you want to eat that?
You know what, LPS-Dave? That even makes me a little nervous.
All right, cool.
They say it's edible, but not very appetizing.
You know what? Let's just add a little bit more in, huh?
Always got room for more.
Throw caution to the wind.
There it goes.
Whoa!
Wow!
I thought I was going to have to add more baking soda, but I didn't.
Nope, just the vinegar.
Yeah, let's put more baking soda.
What the heck?
It doesn't say you can't.
Just keep you away from the food coloring.
Yeah, you know what? Let's mix up some other food coloring in there. What do you think, blue?
What does blue and red make?
I think it makes green.
You're going to have to tell me that. I have no idea.
2 drops. Here we go.
Who's counting?
I think everybody out there counts.
Whoa!
Oh, that was cool.
Look at that.
Oh, my tabletop. You're going to have to clean this tabletop.
I'm on it.
Pretty neat, huh?
You know, I am a little curious what it tastes like.
All right, let me bring in that milk now. I call it milk because I was thinking, Butch, remember that first experiment? This one here? What if you did this to somebody? Not me. And you filled up their chocolate milk and then you brought it to them and they're like, that looks so refreshing.
It does look like chocolate milk.
And then look.
You know, that sounds awfully familiar from a little practical joke you played on me a while back.
Yes. Look at that. Isn't that neat? So
neat.
It's keeping its properties after it's been sitting for a while.
I got to tell you something interesting going on over here. Look at the bubbles in the liquid there. It's still popping a little bit.
Yeah, that kind of went a little crazy, huh? All right, well, should we do one more experiment, you think?
I say we do one more. I need to eat something.
All right, let's clean up. We'll come back and do one more for you. All right, we are back, and maybe you can tell from the ingredients what we're making, because now we are doing...
ice cream in a bag!
Exciting!
Hey, LPS-Dave.
Yeah?
This bag isn't going to explode, is it?
This one should not explode.
If it does, just make sure I'm in the area.
Right, because this one will explode ice cream.
Full of ice cream.
Well, let's go over everything here. Let me, gonna have to move my booklet. Sorry, buddy.
No problem.
All right, so, now all these little houses here, this kind of tells you that this is stuff you need to supply. All right, so the milk, the heavy cream, the sugar, vanilla, salt, ice. You get the large plastic bag, the small plastic bag, and your measuring cup and measuring spoon. So step 1, add 1 measuring cup of sugar, and then basically I'll just do this right now. But let me go over a couple here. The salt is added to the ice, makes the freezing point of the ice lower, which is needed for the ice cream to form. The inner bag with the ingredients is giving off heat since it is warmer than the surrounding ice. This heat makes the surrounding ice melt, and at the same time, the whipping cream mixture gets cold enough so that ice cream is formed.
Oh, boy, I've had dreams like that.
A lot of people have asked about, can you guys do ice cream in a bag? So we're going to finally get to it.
There you go.
All right, so my small bag, Butch, I kind of set it in a sundae dish so that I don't have to hold the bag. And I'll just pour all the ingredients in there like that. So what did it say?
You're always thinking, LPS-Dave.
What's the first ingredient?
First ingredient, add 1 measuring cup of sugar.
Okay, here we go. Sugar.
Sugar.
1 measuring cup
Did I
of
mention
sugar.
that I love sugar?
Probably 100 times or so. Next.
2 measuring cups of milk.
Yes, so we're using the Dean's milk. Whole milk this time.
Only the best.
2 measuring cups, huh? Okay, here's 1. But it's your turn to say it. Go ahead.
1.
I'll pour this one here so everybody can see me pouring it.
And number 2.
Okay, and then the next ingredient. Oop, I missed a little there.
Good thing it was in a cup.
That's why I said it there. What's next?
Then we need 2 measuring cups of whipping cream.
2 cups of what?
Whipping cream.
Okay, we have Dean's again. It's a Dean's day.
Got a theme going here.
Okay. And
you want to smell that first just to make sure?
Yeah, it's icy cold. We just got it. Everything came out of the fridge, so that'll help too.
Boy, that's thick.
It is. There's one.
One. Nice aim.
Thanks.
And that's really full.
Yeah, I went right to the top. 2.
Nice shot.
Anything else? Are we done?
Then we need one.
We're not done.
Measuring spoonful of vanilla. Vanilla.
It's vanilla.
Maybe in your language.
Here we go.
Boy, I wish we had our good measuring spoon.
Yeah, I know. This. I'm gonna do it over this because my
little thin.
I'm gonna go real slow. There we go.
Look at you go! I didn't even spill a drop.
I just dropped it.
Spoke too soon.
There we go.
Look at that.
All right.
That's like a science experiment right there.
Can you read ahead here because I need to get some stuff set up.
So seal the bag.
Okay, so this gets sealed. Ooh, look at that. Just what I spilled.
You know, you could stop right there, and
yeah,
I'd be happy.
Okay, sealed
All right,
tight.
sealed up tight.
Let's see. Good. All right, that's
so
sealed.
next thing, using your measuring cup, add 8 cups of ice.
8 cups?
I wonder how you do a cup of ice.
Yeah, maybe I'll just put 8 ice cubes in, huh? Well, let me just see. Yeah, I think that's about right, huh?
Number 1.
Well, I'll just get the bag ready.
So we're going to put those in the large bag. That's right. 8 cups of ice.
1.
2.
Count again.
1, 2. Oh, you snuck an extra one in on me. I don't know if I can count by 2s.
There's 5. 7. 8.
9.
9.
1 for luck.
It's not going to hurt it.
1 for a lucky penny shot.
Then it says, what's next?
We got 3 measuring cups of salt.
Here we go.
Seems like a lot of salt.
We've used the salt. Well, the salt doesn't touch the ice cream. A lot of people wonder why. Here, I need to get this wiped out here. Hold on a second. Okay.
Boy, I got to tell you, LPS-Dave, so far so good with these experiments.
Yeah, we've been really good. Here's 1. Oh, I keep
Number
forgetting.
1.
You get to do the honors of counting.
Thank
Now, a lot
you.
of the other ice cream sets we've done, they actually add water to it. Does this call for any extra water or anything in there?
I don't see it on the list.
No water or nothing?
This is going to be really thick ice cream.
2? And number
3.
3. Now what's next?
So then...
Well, I'll tell you what, let me do this. I got to clear up some ingredients here and get set up, kind of make a little bit more room. We'll be right back. Whew, a lot of cleanup, Butch.
Boy, oh boy, LPS-Dave, this is a very painstaking process to make ice cream.
I know, when you're making, well, it's not that painful. I mean, it's pretty easy. We can...
Seems easier just to write it on a list and have you go pick it up at a store for me.
Yeah, I guess so, but it's not as fun and we wouldn't be together.
You know, that's a good point.
Right, exactly. That's why you do these experiments.
So let's quit talking and bring on the ice cream, huh?
All right. So we were left off, okay, place the small bag with ingredients into the large bag of ice and salt. Okay, so here we go.
The old bag inside the bag trick.
Okay. Doesn't say anything about air or what, space, does it? Seal the bag securely. I'm struggling there. There we go. Okay. Then gently rock the large bag from side to side. You might want to wear gloves, some gloves, or hold the bag on top where it is not as cold. Once your ingredients have turned into ice cream, about 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. I can't wait.
Set your timer, would you?
Ready.
Just going to move it all down to here, kind of in this area here. Side to side. Side to side.
Does it feel cold?
It is. But they said hold it from the top like I'm doing now, not from under here. It's really cold under there.
Okay, is it ready yet?
No.
I don't have a very good sense of time, LPS-Dave.
I've noticed.
Back and forth.
I almost think I should just put more ice in there, you know what I mean? I'm just moving it around, side to side. Almost so there's a bed of ice.
I could do a bed of ice cream. That sounds appealing.
Wow. I'm the guy doing the work. You're the dog gonna get to do the eating.
Sounds like a good plan to me. Well, if you want me to take over, I'll work it a little bit with the old paws.
Well, probably after the first 5 minutes. I don't think we're gonna show the whole 10 minutes. You know, we'll have to come back. Ooh, I kind of like that, the squishy part. Is there a law here? Can I just squish it if I want?
It said to rock it. I don't know. You feeling anything?
Not yet. It's only been a minute. All right, we'll check back and say 5 minutes and see the progress. Just be doing this. Yeah, start all the way out and come in with that kind of thing. All right, so here we are. It's been about 5 minutes.
Ready.
Hey, Butch. I see you got your bowl ready.
Bring it on, LPS-Dave. Ice cream
It's
time.
actually starting to feel like ice cream. But I don't want to touch it too much. And I have to admit, Butch, I added a few more ice cubes in there because it is hot in here. So I hope that'll help.
Boy, is it ever.
Yeah.
Refreshing cold ice cream is going to make that feel better.
Sure. So we're just...
Hey, maybe we can put some of that chocolate sludge as a topping on top of it.
I don't think so. So, like this, it seems to work out really good because it's in the water, in the salt, and the whole ice cream is getting like a bath.
An ice bath.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so we'll check back in another 5 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, we're back, Butch.
I'm ready.
Here we go. I'm going to actually... It says eat it out of the bag, so I'm going to do that. And I would say right now it's kind of like a soft serve, almost like a milkshake.
Yeah, I was working it for a little while. Just getting the paws into it, and it seemed like it got to a certain point and stopped.
Yeah, it did. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, it's like a soft serve. Let me put a little bit in your bowl for you here.
Thank you. It's definitely ice cream.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's good, actually. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it's dripping. I'm going to say a success. Definitely a success. Did you want to try some?
Yeah, I would love some, LPS-Dave.
Here. Here, I'll tell you what. You go eat that up there.
Thank you, LPS-Dave.
And I'm going to have a couple more scoops myself.
Oh.
It's good, isn't it?
Vanilla-y.
Nice, yeah, nice vanilla flavor. So,
boy, oh boy, LPS-Dave, that's delicious.
Here, while you talk to everybody, I'm going to go get the last 2 experiments.
You know, it's amazing that you can take some ice and a few ingredients and 10 or 15 minutes later have real ice cream. Pretty exciting. And it tastes delicious. I've been waiting for this all day.
All right, so here's our recap here. We have the Volcano.
Boy, that didn't turn out too pretty.
Yeah, not now. Well, actually, it looks kind of pretty,
but
like
it
a rainbow.
Effective.
There is our... I'm going to have a little bit more of this.
Me too.
So what do you think? Hello?
You know, LPS? Sorry, I was eating.
I know. You need to cover for me because I'm eating.
Sorry about that. We got to plan that better.
All right, recap. Let's go.
I think we went 3 for 3 today, LPS-Dave.
3 for 3. I like the sound of that.
That was exciting.
So out of the 3 experiments, everybody, and that's everybody out in YouTube land, which was your favorite experiment? Which was yours, Butch?
You know, I'm amazed by the miracle of homemade ice cream.
So that was your favorite?
I'd go with the ice cream. I think I know what your favorite was.
Yeah, look at that.
Boy, you were like a little kid playing in that stuff.
It feels like it's hard as a rock, but then you can break it, and it just starts to melt, see? Isn't that cool?
And it was nice because that made me think about ice cream.
Yeah.
And we got to finish the day with a big bowl of ice cream.
Very cool. All right. So if you want to see the other video in this series, we'll have the link in the description. You could also search our channel. Now, there's more experiments, but, you know, we'll have to see if everybody wants to do those. Maybe they can leave that in the comments, too.
Boy, I hope they say yes.
And thanks for watching. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.
Thanks for watching.